Hi everyone, it's Angela from Really Good Stuff. Thank you for joining me tonight. It is a beautiful day here in Connecticut, and so we're going to film outside. So tonight we're going to talk about slime. So one of our product lines is Steve Spangler Science, and they have slime, and there's a ton of fun ways to use it, not only at home but in your classroom. So I thought I'd show you some ways here. So before we get started, you know I love giving away prizes, so answer this question for me. Have you ever made slime in your classroom? That's your first question. I know some of you may be afraid, it may be a little too messy, things like that. Have you ever made it is the first question. The second question is, if you have made it in your classroom, what activities have you done with it? We've seen a lot of fun things out there. People creating how-to paragraphs with it, trying different levels of the mixes, and even adding things to the slime. So first off, I want to say we have 6 different colors. So I've made them ahead of time here. I'm also going to make some with you. Now with the slime comes this instruction card. So you can see there's activities on here, how to mix it. Again, it's a polymer. We love polymers. So poly means many and mer means molecules. So many molecules. So this is fun. So let's take out this pink here. If you shake it up, look at this. Isn't this fun? Now I made this mixture here a little thicker because we're going to do an activity with it that you can do in your classroom. So let me shake these up a little bit and take the lids off. Loosen them from the sides. Now, Steve Spangler slime is the only slime that will dry into art. Art, you say? Funny. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to make some art today, and then when we come back Wednesday, we're going to check on it. Now, I know that it dries out into beautiful art, so today we're going to make it really thin. So here's what I want to do. We have 6 different colors here. And in your classroom, a lot of you make like puzzles or quilts to welcome the kids, to show them that you all work together as a team. There is no better message right now than unity. So let me show you what we're going to do. I only have 6 colors. Well, what if I have 24 kids? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign, here's blue. And we have to be able to tell which students this is. So I'm going to make the blue really, really thin here. And I'm going to pretend this is Ashley's. So I'm going to put a pink butterfly sequins in Ashley's. Now you can even fold it over. Trust me, when it dries, you'll be able to see it. It's going to be gorgeous. So that'll be Ashley. So if you take something like the sequence that's in our new Colorations art line that we're carrying, you can use different color sequins for the different kids. So if you have 6 different colors and 4 different kinds of sequins, you simply multiply. 6 times 4, 24. So that'd be perfect for your students. So let's do a little pink here. Grab some out of here, roll it up. Now I'm going to put it right next to this blue, and I'm going to add, let's say, this silver feather. So this will be whoever's, Amanda's, or whoever. Let's take a little green. We'll add this into our mixture. So they don't have to give you their whole piece of the slime, or their whole mixture. They can just give you a little piece. So let's put this here. And I'm going to add, let's say, a gold heart. Now, when this dries, the reason it dries is all the water evaporates from it. It dries out. So the thinner I make it, the quicker it's going to dry. So we'll see if it'll be dry by Wednesday. If not, we'll check back the next week. So now what I want to do is show you a little bit about how to make the slime. It's very simple. Okay, let's see, blue. Isn't this such a pretty blue? So we need 1 ounce of the blue. So I'm going to put this in here. Comes with a little squeeze bottle so you don't squeeze out too much. Okay, 1 ounce of the blue. Then I know my directions say, this is the activator solution, to add a teaspoon. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to add a whole teaspoon. I'm only going to add about a half or 2/3 maybe. That's going to make the slime a little slimier. So this is a great experiment that you can do with your kids. Here's my lid. The fun thing about this, you can use Tupperware containers, you can use Ziploc baggies. You're going to shake it really hard, see it's really liquidy. You're going to shake, 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 shake. And eventually you're going to hear it like smacking the sides. You hear it smacking? That means it's about ready. So let me pull it out. And you're going to see this slime is much slimier than this blue slime here. So the more activator you put in, the firmer your slime is going to be, which might be good for those of you that are afraid of this being messy. Let me show you one more fun thing I want to do with this. And again, come back on Wednesday and we'll be able to check on this. Let's put some blue. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some green right on top of it. I'm going to show you another fun thing here. Let's add a little pink. Come on, slime is so much fun. And the best thing about the Steve Spangler Science Slime is that it completely dries up. So if it gets on anything, just give it a little time to dry. Let's put a little yellow in here. Look how fun this is. Now what I want to do is I'm going to roll it up. Isn't that pretty? And then when I break it, look at the layers. Isn't that interesting? And look how pretty this is. So these are really pretty, so I'm going to flatten these out too, because we want to see how these look when they dry. Let me put them right next to each other. This is great for how-to. It's great for art. Again, your students can make it by themselves and then add it together. Do you see how this is already pooling together? It's like growing into each other. It's working together. Okay, now the sixth color is this clear. So I definitely want to add some clear to this because it makes it so pretty. Wait till you guys see how this looks when it dries. The best thing about this is that you don't have to put it on a wall. You can put it on a window. You'll see when you come back. So I'm going to add a blue flower into this one. So come back Wednesday and we'll check on this. My daughter Elizabeth and I are going to make a few more little projects while we have it all out. And that'll be fun for you to come back and check. So for your third question, right? Let's think of something fun. What is some fun art project that you do at home that you also do at school with your kids at school and your kids at home? There's tons of fun things out there. We have a whole new art line, like I said, Colorations Art. So yeah, make sure you join us. This week is our last week of doing 3 nights a week. So tonight, Wednesday, we'll check on the slime. If it's not quite done, I will definitely show you some more Spangler items. I have some more here at the house. And then Friday, Nicole's going to do a Facebook Live about Father's Day art projects. So that'll be a ton of fun. And then starting next week, we're going to be live every Tuesday and Thursday throughout the rest of the summer. So every Tuesday, I'll be here. Every Thursday, Nicole will be here. Remember to keep being interactive with us, liking, sharing, commenting. Of course, comment as often as you can, because of course you're going to win prizes. How many of you have won prizes out there? Definitely leave a comment and tell everybody what you won. I know we've given away planners and some Star Spangled teacher items like a paper tray, clipboard, so many fun things. So make sure you keep commenting, sharing, and liking on all of our posts, all our videos, because that's how you're going to become that top fan. And over the summer, we're going to see how our top fans grow. And then in August, we're going to have an awesome contest for all the top fans. You will not want to miss it. So I hope you've had a good rest of the year. I think I've seen a couple people have maybe 1 or 2 days left, which is awesome. Also, I notice a lot of states are really opening up. Here in Connecticut, guess what? Saturday, I finally get to get my nails done. I can hardly wait. So I hope you join us for the summer. I hope you take care of yourself and you have a relaxing time. Who knows what next year will look like, but we're teachers, we're strong, we will be ready for it. Until next time, bye.